A foam storm in the Western Cape Province, South Africa.
Wat een erg jeetje beneden, hoor.
Wat een ding.
Davy wordt in de zee. Nou, maar waar is de water?
A devastating flood occurred on May 7th in the Western Cape Province, South Africa. A foam storm in the Western Cape Province, South Africa.
Oh my gosh!
Even outside the traditional tornado alley, the United Kingdom faces severe risks from sudden tornadoes with winds exceeding 90 miles per hour.
I don't know. Do you see all those guys running across?
This is also why camping in dry riverbeds remains a critical hazard. A sandstorm in the Mecca region, Saudi Arabia.
Storm chasing coming to you live from, what'd you say, bro?
In Rockton, Illinois, the National Weather Service issued urgent warnings as baseball-sized hail accompanied a dark, rotating sky. A devastating flood occurred on May 7th in the Western Cape Province, South Africa. In the mountainous terrain of Guerrero, heavy rainfall transforms into a destructive torrent that tears through local roads.
Mỹ còn đứng trên kia này. Làm phát xuống nè.
Miren, miren, cabal, ahorita lo agarraste. Ah, lo agarré, cabal.
Dust devil against the backdrop of the Fuego volcano eruption, Guatemala.
Está bravo.
Mira, mira cómo tiene las rocas.
Sí.
¿Cómo se ve el...?
Mira la onda de choque abajo, mira.
Hola.
La pura onda de choque, mira vos. Yo creo que la de sentir.
On March 11, 2011, in Miyako, Japan, engineered seawalls proved entirely defenseless. The moment a dark ocean overwhelmed the coastal defenses and claimed the city remains a profound reminder of nature's absolute power.
Все, фронты. Дай ход, дай ход. Дверь не заклинена. Дверь не открывай.
The unique Galapagos marine iguana breaks all conventional rules by spending its life feeding in the open sea.
Swallow it already.
Inside the pelican's dark gular pouch, prey struggles helplessly as digestion begins.
Almost. It's in your throat. Swallowed pigeons before.
With every storm, immense electrical energy is released. On average, 44 lightning strikes hit the Earth every second. When viewed from above, a rainbow reveals its true, breathtaking form, a perfect, unbroken circle. A hanging glacier in Cayalt National Park, Chile.
Get him to...
While on the ground, a snake biting its own tail reveals a severe stress response known to biologists.
They do not like the taste of hand sanitizer.
In Goldstream Park, Victoria, a pristine stream mysteriously turned a vibrant neon blue. Large hail in Springfield, Missouri, USA. While zebras approach the banks with deep caution, a massive Nile crocodile, possessing the strongest bite force on Earth, waits silently beneath the murky surface.